Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, everyone, we're gonna continue our discussions regarding about uh, SNBT questions. Okay, this is from the 2022 paper, and the questions is regarding geometric progression. So we are given this geometric progression 20, 10, 5, and then 5z. Yeah, and then the question asks what is the mean of the first 10 term of the progressions. Okay, so what should we do with these questions? Okay, we have to see what is to determine the uh, the mean of these geometric progressions. Of course, we know that a mean, yeah, an average of of a data is, we know the sum of it, the sum of the data, let's call it x, and then divided by the number of the data, which let's call it f. Now the sum of x is basically Sn, right? The sum of x, the sum of the data, is basically, for these projections, for this kind of particular cases, is the same with the Sn, which is the sum of the geometric progressions divided by the total of the data, which is that. Now, Sn, of course, because this is a geometric progressions, we know the formula for it. Sn is equal to A R. And okay, maybe before we are determine which formula that we will use, we have to determine the ratio of the progressions. We know the progressions, the ratio of geometric progressions is u2 divided by u1, or u3 divided by u4, eh, u4 divided by u3, and so forth. Yeah, you can use anything that you wished, but I wish to use the u2 over u divided by u1. u2 is 10 divided by u1 is 20, then the ratio would be 1 over half. The ratio is 1 over half, 1 over 2, yeah, which is a half. Now, since the r is less than 1, then the Sn, the formula for the Sn that we would choose is A times 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. I think that's the formula. And for the first 10 term, that would be S10 is equal to A, which is 20, 1 over a half to the power of 10 divided 1 over R. 1 over R, which is, well, a half. Yeah, 1 minus a half would be a half itself. So S10 would be 40, 1, 1 minus a half to the power of 10. Now we got the value for the Sn. Yeah. So this is S10 divided by 10. The S10 itself, the value is 40, 1 minus a half to the power of 10 divided by 10. So the value of it would be 1 minus a half to the power of 10. Now, this is the final answer. Therefore, the answer that we should choose is B. I think that's all. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this would be helpful for getting through the exam. I hope for you the best. Yeah. I hope that you can get through all those questions. Yeah, I know it's dreadful. I know it's stressing out. It would be stressing. Yeah, but hopefully you would get through the questions. You could excel the questions with uh, great result. I think that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.